Hey there, International Tractor fans. Super Chuckles here. I got a B4114 gas International. A little dirty. It's been sitting for a while. Just inherited it. Gonna try working on it. I got a new ignition for it. The old one, the key broke off on it, and so I plan on fixing it. I figured I'd give you guys a before shot before I try to fix it up. And I got to get rid of that little nasty booger, wasp nest on the tire. I gotta get rid of that without getting stung. Lucky me. But yeah, this is my B4114. I also gotta get the front two tires filled with air. But yeah, my little International. And I got a International 574 over there that I got eventually fixed. Got some sort of leak. But I'm gonna hopefully try to work on this first, because this I think is a easier fix for now.